So good morning, welcome back to my channel Common Sense Explored. So my today's topic is transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. So what is transpose actually? Transpose means the row column interchange. Row becomes column and column become row. That is called transpose. Suppose a matrix, I am taking a matrix A equals to 2 3 1 1 5 7. Okay, so now you can see this matrix, that is 2 cross 3 matrix, 2 cross 3 matrix. Now the transpose can be written as A dot or A transpose, A to the power of t. Okay, in this way. So transpose is nothing but just row becomes column and column become row. So 2 1 is a column, this is a column, and it will go to the row, means 2 1 in this way. Now 3 5 was a column. Now write down in a row 3 5, and 1 7 was a column, and write down in a row. So 1 7. So do you understand how row become column and column become row? Now what is the order? Now order becomes 3 cross 2. So do you understand, if it was a m cross n matrix, now after transposing it becomes n cross m matrix. Okay, just opposite. So this is nothing but the transpose of a matrix, and there are some few properties this there in transpose of matrix. So first property, you can say that if we do the again transpose of this, means first transposition is this, if you do again transposition, so what will happen, that the first value will come again. Okay, so that means the first point means transpose of A is nothing but A only. Okay, so means if you do 2 times transpose, just like minus minus plus, in that similar way transpose of A is nothing but A only. Okay, so this is the first relation or first property you can say. And the second property, you can say any constant with A to the power of transpose is nothing but K will be come out outside of the third bracket. Okay, so K into A dash, this is the formula. And then third one, you can say A plus B whole transpose is nothing but A dash plus B dash, this is another formula. And the fourth formula, you can say A dot B whole transpose is nothing but B dash dot A dash. Okay, so this is the overall property of the transpose. So transpose is basic common sense is nothing but row becomes column and column become row. It was a row, now it becomes a column after doing transpose. Okay, it was a row, it becomes a column. Okay, so row become column and column become row, means row column interchange is nothing but a transpose. So now next one is symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So these are the properties of transpose and the definition as you can understand with the examples. Okay, now next one is symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. The condition is that in case of symmetric and skew symmetric, the matrix must be square matrix. Okay, either 2 cross 2 or 3 cross 3 or 4 cross 4, in this way, either 2 cross 2 or sure. Now you can see here A, suppose a matrix A is, I am writing an example 2 3 minus 1 3 minus 2 5, and next is minus 1 5 4. So this is a matrix. Suppose this is a matrix, arbitrary matrix I am taking from my mind only. Okay, now after doing transpose here the order is 3 cross 3, and now after doing transpose, row become column and column become row, right? So 2 3 1, this row you have to write in column wise, 2 3 minus 1. Okay, now 3 minus 2 5, 3 minus 2 5 in column wise. Next is minus 1 5 4, minus 1 5 and 4, you have to write in column wise. So can you see that the two things, is there any difference? Here is also the same matrix, means after doing transpose the same matrix come back. So that means whenever A transpose will become A only, this condition is known as symmetric matrix. This is the condition of symmetric matrix. Please remember, whenever A transpose is equals to A, that is called symmetric matrix. That means this A matrix is a symmetric matrix. Okay, in that similar way, what is skew symmetric matrix? I am writing it. Next is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix, in this way we have to write. Skew symmetric means, suppose a matrix I am writing in this way, 2 minus 3 1, sorry, I am writing here 0. Okay, so I'll tell you why I am writing 0. Next is 3 0 5, next is minus 1 minus 5 0. Now you can see here, this is a this is a matrix A. Now I am doing transpose of matrix A. Transpose is nothing but row column interchange. Row column interchange means you have to write this row in a column wise. So 0 minus 3 and 1, next 3 0 5, and next is minus 1 minus 5 and 0. Okay, so is there any difference? Yes, there is a difference, little bit difference, and the difference is if you take out a minus sign or extract minus sign from this matrix, all the sign will change. Okay, so 0 अगर 0 से माइनस निकाल दिया जाएगा तो 0 ही रहेगा, कोई चेंज नहीं होगा. सो 3 से माइनस निकाल दिया जाएगा तो इट बिकम्स माइनस 3. माइनस 1 से माइनस निकल जाएगा तो 1, देन माइनस 3 बिकम 3, 0 बिकम 0, and minus 5 become 5, 1 become minus 1, 5 become minus 5, and 0 becomes 0 only. Now can you see that this 0 minus 3 1, 0 minus 3 1, 3 0 5, 3 0 5, minus 1 minus 5 0, minus 5 minus 5 0. That means this A and these are same, but there is a minus, extra minus sign is there. So that means whenever A transpose is equals to minus A, this relation is known as condition is known as skew symmetric matrix. Please remember. So symmetric means A transpose is equals to A, but in case of skew symmetric, A transpose is equals to minus A. That is the only difference. Okay, so this is all about symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So there are, so I am rubbing it. The next is two laws is there which it will follow. The first law is if we add, suppose a matrix is given, I am writing any arbitrary matrix 2 3 1 4. Suppose this matrix. Now if you calculate transpose become 2 1 3 4. Okay, now always remember, if you add A plus A transpose, it will be always symmetric. Please remember, it will be always symmetric, means after doing addition this plus this, it will be always symmetric. But if you subtract it, it will be always skew symmetric. Please remember this property. This is a law also, okay, or theorem you can say. So this is the first property you can say of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, and the second property is nothing but a matrix A can be written as the sum of the symmetric matrix as well as skew symmetric matrix. So I am writing again the second property. This is the first one I told already, and the second one will be a matrix A can be written as the sum of symmetric plus skew symmetric, sum of symmetric plus skew symmetric. You understand? So this is the property, another property. So this can be written like this: A plus A dashed plus half of A minus A dashed. If you ask me why half is coming, it is nothing but A by 2 plus A by 2 is coming A only, and it is A dashed by 2 minus A dashed by 2 cancel. So that means this A can be written in this way: half of A plus A dashed plus half of A minus A dashed. So this is the transposition of matrix and symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay.